Hazrat Zaid bin Aslam has reported from his father. Allah's Apostle ﷺ was undertaking a journey, and one night Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu was proceeding with him, and he asked the Prophet ﷺ something, but he ﷺ did not reply. He asked for a second time, but he ﷺ did not make a reply. He then asked for a third time, but again he ﷺ did not give him any reply. Whereupon Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said to himself, "May Umar's mother weep over you. You asked thrice, but you were not responded any time." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu says, "I galloped my camel and outstepped the other people, fearing lest the Quran should be revealed in my connection. Before long, a caller was calling me. I feared that the Quran might have revealed about me. So I came to Allah's Apostle ﷺ and greeted him. He ﷺ said, 'Yesterday night such a chapter, the victory, was revealed to me as is dearer to me than all those things on which the sun rises.' Then he ﷺ recited the chapter Victory. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4834.